Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. I am Abdullah, and in this video I will tell you how you can avail the GitHub Student Developer Pack. All you just need is a valid student associated email address and a GitHub account. In my case, I have already made a GitHub account using my personal email account. That's a Google email, a Gmail account. And right now what I will do, I will associate this account with my associated cloud ID or a university ID. So just want to show you that this GitHub account is associated with my Gmail account. As you can see that you have a single verified email associated with your GitHub account. Add an additional verified email address in case you lose access to your primary email. So my primary email is this email, and I will add another email. That email will be my school email or my cloud ID that is being provided by you. So this is my cloud associated email, and I will click just to give you a little background. Before that, I have just logged in into GitHub using just a normal URL, and these are all the tabs. Go to click on your profile, click on settings, and then click on email. And after that, just click put your email address and click on add. So it will, after clicking the add button, it will send an email address. It will send a link to my mailbox. Okay, so I have just copied the link and I will paste it in the same browser, and it will verify the email. We will confirm this by again clicking on the account, go to settings, and then emails are, yeah, as we can see that this email has been verified now. So after now we will proceed to the next step. Make sure you have complete the three steps. There are three steps to complete your to verify this GitHub Student Developer Pack status before before the submitting an application, and that three steps are: number one, you have a picture, you have a GitHub account picture. In my case it has put in, and you need to provide your basic billing information. uh, just click on payment information, and you don't need to provide your payment card details, your bank details or not. Just click, just put your basic details. I will skip this, I will pause this. So I have just put in my first name, last name, my city, and my address. Remember not to put. You can skip your very specific address. Just put a generalized one and click on Save Billing Information. No need to verify this. Okay. Need to put your country as well, and it has been done. So we have completed the two steps. I will show the picture as well. Uh, See that please complete your GitHub billing information. We have completed our billing information. We have completed our user profile. User profile means you just need to have your picture and a basic information. Just put a short bio of yours. And the third one, very important one, is please secure a GitHub account with a two-factor authentication. So for two-factor authentication, generally, GitHub provides two options. See this, just click on enable two-factor authentication, and it says that setup authenticator app and browser. Find use an authenticator app or browser extension. Verified the code from perfect. So I have my Microsoft Authenticator app, and I will scan the code, and will continue the video after that. So we just need to scan that QR code from the Microsoft Authenticator app, and it will get the information of our GitHub account, and it will also give you some codes of that code you can use in future if you lost the access to an authenticator app. So yeah, we have completed our two-factor authentication, and just click on done. So after completing these three steps, and we have also associated our cloud ID email, the university provided email. See, it's verified. Now we will start this step. You can just click on this green button, or just go here, get in the educational benefits tab, and right now we will start an application for getting the GitHub Student Developer Pack. We are a student, and see, it has verified our email address. So just click on select school. In my case it's NED University, and you need to share your location temporary. uh, Allow this time. Okay. Yeah, so I just restrict the location services, and after I open this, and so see this, the check mark has been completed, location check. Just one important thing I want to add is to make sure you are using a browser that does not block trackers or location services, because previously when I was doing this process in Brave browser, so I was unable to share my location because Brave sometimes blocks the tracker. Um, that's why it's a good thing, but it actually backfires you in some cases as well. So make sure it is recommended to use Chrome browser for this whole purpose. And just click on continue after getting the location. Okay. So it says that please select the type of proof you would like to provide. So now, right now we need to provide a proof of our identity, of our university identity. There are three categories: good, fair, or poor. It's always it's always good to provide verification, to provide a proof identity of a good category. I will upload a file. I have my select the type of proof that you will like to provide, and there are some things that are being ranked according to category. For example, school ID is associated with good, and transcript is associated with fair, and so on. So I will provide. I have my school ID, and most of you will obviously have your school ID. So just click on it, and so just submit your picture, and you can see that your application has been submitted. Just click on cross, and it will display the status. So it says that our status is being pending, and it displays a date of applied. And honestly speaking, it just required almost 10 to 20 minutes, or it might extend to verify our status. It actually depends on the timings as well. So I will continue this video once my status has been verified. So just under 1 minute, our GitHub education, our GitHub Student Developer Pack status has been verified, and you can see that it's approved on 1st March 2026. And it says that your academic status has been verified. Congratulations, your academic benefit, including partner offers, will available after 72 hours of your verification. It means that once the benefit become available, you will be able to access the GitHub Student Developer Pack from here. So it will just redirect to this site, and we can avail all of this. Benefits free of cost. It has multiple benefits: security and marketing, into the web dev. But personally, I like this one the most. DigitalOcean free $200 credits. You can host your websites or web servers at cloud, and you can get a name cheap domain, name.com or .tech domain. You can access to GitHub Pro, MongoDB. Just there are multiple benefits you can avail just after 72 hours. I will also tell how we can avail this GitHub DigitalOcean $200. Right now, our status has been verified completely. But if you want to avail this $200, you can continue the video, or otherwise you can just skip the video, or you can skip the afterward parts. Hello guys, welcome back. I will finally show you that our full application status has been verified completely. Just go again to the benefits tab, and now as we can see that the slider has been filled up, and it says that our status has been verified, and now we can finally avail the benefits, all those benefits which has been showed previously. Specifically, I will show that how we can avail this $200 free credits in DigitalOcean. For that, you just need to go to this site digitalocean.com, and first you have to sign up the account if you haven't, and make sure to sign up your account using your GitHub account. It will authorize, or just click on authorize DigitalOcean. Once Okay, so we have successfully created our DigitalOcean account using our GitHub ID, and now we just want to do one more step, and which is adding our card details. Remember, our no amount will be deducted from our account from those account which we add the details for just the one time 450 rupees in Pakistani, and almost I think maximum $2 will be deducted from your card, but that will be refunded just after 5 to 10 minutes maximum. You need to add your card details, and I will select the card. There are multiple options: PayPal, Alipay, crypto. Select the option which you want to. I will just simply select the card, and I will provide my Mastercard details. All of this information here, and I will just pause the video and complete the steps, and we'll just follow the video afterward. So I successfully added the payment method, and just after I added the payment method, my amount has been reversed successfully just within a 1 minute. So after adding this, then now you just need to sign in. I will just see, okay, you haven't signed in on this domain, education.github.pack. Just sign into your account and see it says that verified since March. Just want to add one thing that it just took me 3 days to verify this status, but I'm creating the video after some time. But it will require constant 72 hours to verify your status. And now I will avail the $200. We'll find the GitHub. We'll find the DigitalOcean option. There we go. Just click on this link. We've already added our method for the GitHub. Yes. Click on authorize DigitalOcean. Yeah, it's done. It says that your account has been created with $200. That is good for 1 year. Wahoo! If you want to see your account credits, you can go to account billing page or just check the top right of the page. Okay, got it. We'll go to account billing page and I will show it. See, our $200 credits has been arrived here and it says that the expiration date is March 8, 2027. It means these credits are valid for almost 1 year and you can avail other these types of benefits as well. Like you can get a domain with ending with .com or .tech domain. This Copilot Pro as well. GitHub and Copilot Pro as well. You can avail all of these benefits. I will not show these steps. You can, I believe that will be simple, but you should try this as well if your need is. So that's all from my side. If you want to create your first droplet, I will tell you some basic steps that how you can create your first droplet. Droplet is just a web server or a web machine that you will access via SSH. Just click on create droplet. There are multiple OS options that you can select according to your preference. If you want to host a CTF, I will recommend use Ubuntu or whatever. First, you need to select your region, select a region that is nearest to your geographical location. I will select the Bangalore, and there are multiple OS options. You can select a specific version as well, and there are multiple options of RAM and storage and CPU as well. So you can select according to your needs. And here is the authentication method, a password or a public private key SSH pair. You can use any of them. Password, if you set a very strong password, that will be enough. But always set the strong password. And here are some other options as well. After selecting those, you will just need to press this button and it will create a droplet. And it will give you a public IP. And through that public IP, you will just get the SSH into your machine, into your host machine, and you will configure that operating system of which you get the SSH. So I believe that makes sense, and that's all from my side. If you have any question or any confusion in any part, so definitely you can ask in the comment or you can reach out to me via LinkedIn. That's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.